The 2020 to 2025 Kia Soul has been praised for its unique design and practicality. However, owners have reported several common issues. Number 1. Engine problems. Engine problems in this generation of the Kia Soul are often linked to a faulty piston, which can lead to engine failure. This issue is primarily caused by defects in the piston assembly, where the pistons may fail prematurely, resulting in poor engine performance, misfires, or even engine damage. Over time, this can lead to loss of power, oil consumption issues, and increased engine noise. Kia has issued recalls to address this problem, and affected owners may receive engine replacements. Regular engine inspections and monitoring for unsafe performance are recommended to prevent significant damage. Number 2. Transmission issues. The numerous transmission issues are typically caused by problems with the 6-speed automatic transmission, which can result in shifting delays, rough transitions, or slipping gears. The issue is often attributed to faulty transmission control modules or worn-out clutch packs, which can cause transmission to fail prematurely. In some cases, owners have experienced unexpected stalling or jerking during acceleration. Problems with the transmission fluid, such as low fluid levels or contamination, can exacerbate these issues, leading to overheating and further wear on the internal components. Regular fluid checks and timely transmission maintenance can help reduce the likelihood of these failures. Number 3. Catalytic converter malfunctions. These problems in the Kia Soul are often linked to overheating caused by excessive exhaust gas temperatures. This can result from engine misfires, a clogged air filter, or a faulty sensor, which disrupts the normal combustion process and causes unburned fuel to enter the exhaust system. As the unburned fuel ignites in the converter, it can lead to damage or melting of internal components. In more severe cases, this overheating can increase the risk of a fire in the engine bay, especially if the issue goes unresolved for some days or weeks. Number 4. Steering play and noise. Steering play and noise issue in the 2020 to 2023 Kia Soul are often caused by wearing or damage to the steering components, particularly the steering rack and intermediate shaft. Over time, these parts can become loose or misaligned, leading to increased play in the steering wheel and clunking or popping noises when turning. The causes may also involve issues with the power steering system, such as malfunctioning power system pump or low fluid levels. These problems can affect handling and overall driving experience, making the vehicle harder to control, especially at lower speeds or while parking. Number 5. Electrical system malfunctions. These affect mostly the 2020 to 2023 Kia Soul. This is often related to issues with the advanced driver assistance system, such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Many owners have reported problems with these systems falsely activating or failing to function properly, triggering dashboard warnings or causing the vehicle to apply brakes unexpectedly. The root cause is typically a faulty front camera sensor misaligned or software glitches, which can interfere with proper calibration and operation of these features. In some cases, the issue requires front camera replacement or a system reset. Number 6. High oil consumption. This problem, again, mostly affects the 2020 to 2023 Kia Soul. The cause of this problem is particularly the piston rings and valve seals, which may wear prematurely. As these parts degrade, They allow oil to enter the combustion chamber, leading to excessive oil burning. This can result in low oil levels, blue smoke from the exhaust, and the need for frequent oil top-ups. In some cases, it's linked to engine design flaws or manufacturing defects in specific models. If you leave this unchecked, high oil consumption can lead to poor engine performance and potential long-term damage. If you've experienced any other problems with your Kia Soul from 2020 to 2025 or have additional insight to share, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.